Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out. And I'm here to shout out not one, not two, but three amazing instructors who have been really working hard to go above and beyond. So the first shout out is going out to Mr. Colin Eldridge and Mr. Nick Alvino, who collaborated on Wednesday to start to redesign their building traits curriculum for their Career Center students. They've updated essential questions, they redesigned their assessments, and they added a lot more activities to kind of fit the hybrid instructional model. So great job, gentlemen. I think the units are really coming along nicely, so keep up the great work. And the second shout out is going out to Miss Katie Stevenson, who teaches at the Academy of Allied Health and Science. She was actually able to secure a wound care specialist to speak to her students in the anatomy and physiology courses. And even though it was virtual and it was a distance learning experience, it was truly relevant, and it really gave the students some insight to how COVID has impacted wound care from both a professional and also a personal standpoint. And the students got a lot out of that presentation. So thank you so much, everybody, for staying the course, being there for our students, because at the end of the day, that's what they need. Thank you and have a great weekend.